how important is language in an interview? Suppose I come from a rural background, I'm not so fluent in English, and I want to mix English and my Hindi between my speaking. So is that taken negatively?
It's not taken negative, but it is certainly something that will stay in the mind of the interviewer, because you know that the medium of instruction in all the IIMs is actually English, right? So your ability to understand basic English, your ability to communicate at the basic English level is good. Please also remember the fact that most of the IIMs actually have some sort of a preparatory class for people to help in some of these kind of things as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Right? So they will actually help you pick your English. They will actually help you, improve your communication skills. But if you have come from a poor background, and if you have not shown enough and more basis to learn about the language, and you are just trying to be adamant कि नहीं, मेरे को अंग्रेजी नहीं सीखनी है, मैं तो हिंदी में सब काम चला लूंगा.
That's not the question. The question is more about, I've still not reached that point where I'm fluent in
ठीक है,
English.
आपका एक्सेंट थोड़ा खराब है, पर आपने मतलब पूरा ग्रामर आप जब यूज करते हो तो यू मेक इट वेरी एविडेंट दैट यू आर नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन, देन इट काइंड ऑफ रिफ्लेक्ट्स ऑन द अदर पार्ट एज वेल. Your willingness to learn, your ability to learn, your ability to understand the value of the skills and capabilities that will take you to the next level. So there are those kind of interpretations that will come into the part.
You speak in the English which you're able to, right? So even if it's bad English grammar, it's okay. That is not.
Yeah, it's okay. But then you should be able to communicate, and you should be able to convey what you are trying to convey.
The idea should be.
Yes. And also the fact that if you are being interviewed in northern part of the country, the chances are that you will also be actually talking Hindi in the interview sessions. I have heard that from a few of the other experiences that have been shared by me, that बीच में थोड़ी हिंदी भी चल जाती है.
Okay. But South में तो नहीं चलेगी वो.
नहीं, South में generally नहीं चलती है, because certainly one in the panel will have a very poor understanding of Hindi.
So he'll not be able. Our Madrasi gang, which used to, on quote unquote logic, we had this for the audience, not a demeaning this thing. We had this very sweet gang of people whom we used to call the Madrasi gang at IIM Bangalore.
Sambar gang.
Yeah, Sambar gang. Yeah. So anyway.